Greetings fishermen, this is the first fish I've had here 2023. Fish turned up about 3 or 4 days ago. It's now the 23rd of January, so yeah, we're going to give it a go. Just going to get some fish. Rightio campers, we're going to fish off. First fish I've had here this year. It's now almost the end of February, end of January actually. End of January. The lake temperature's been going up and down like a bloody yo-yo. So consequently the fish have only just come in the last 3-4 days. It's now the 23rd. That's all good. A fish is better than no fish. Got a bit of weight to it, this one. Rightio, there we go. Nice fish. 3.5 pounds, 3 3/4 pounds. Good condition. Put him back where he came from. Go and tell your mates to come back. Go on.